Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by closing Roblox and the launcher. This prevents file conflicts. Once done, check your internet. Wired is better, aim for 5 Mbps or more so downloads don't stall. Make sure to free at least 1 GB of disk space and clear temporary cache to avoid corrupt installation files. Then open the Roblox launcher as administrator to force proper permissions. This step matters because permission issues often block file replacement. After that, let the launcher check for updates and report its status. Once the launcher begins, run the installer as administrator to ensure it can write system files. If Windows asks, allow firewall or network permissions for both Roblox and the launcher. Blocking them prevents downloads. If the update fails repeatedly, close apps, delete the Roblox folder and %local app data to remove cached corrupt files, and reinstall. This forces a fresh client. Also run the Roblox diagnostic tool to check ports, latency, and any blocked services. These diagnostics help. After installation, reboot your PC to finalize file registration. Then open Roblox and verify the version under Settings, About. Test by launching a simple game to confirm modules load correctly and assets download without errors. If issues persist, inspect logs in %local app data, %Roblox /logs to identify missing files or permission errors. As a final troubleshooting tip, reinstall network drivers or reset the network stack. This often fixes stubborn download.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.